morning, this is Chef Jeff from the Rogue Chef in Branson, Missouri. Today I'm going to do a short little video on our scrambled eggs, how we get them ready for our breakfast on Saturday and Sunday. We use them on our steak, egg, and cheese sandwich and our bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. It's a real simple process. We crack roughly about a dozen to a dozen and a half eggs into our bowl. When you crack your eggs, you never want to crack them on the side of the bowl that you're using. Always crack them off to the side. That helps from keeping shell and other contaminants out of your eggs. Now that I've got my eggs cracked into my bowl, I just go around smashing the yolks. It just makes it a little easier when you start to whip them. I always use a wire whisk, preferably a thin whisk, because it lets the whip more air into it, and that'll help get you your fluffy scrambled eggs. And you want to whisk pretty vigorously to get a lot of air incorporated. That is the key to the good fluffy scrambled eggs. Some people will add water, cream to them. I prefer not to, just keep them nice and simple. Good flavor on the scrambled egg is bacon fat. Bacon fat is great in anything. So now we see it's starting to melt and heating up. You want to get the bacon grease in the pan hot before you put your eggs in there. That'll also help it from sticking so bad to the bottom. Eggs are high in protein, so that'll cause it to stick really quickly and easily. So now I pour my eggs into my pan. As you can see, it's already starting to cook them on the side. So we take a spatula and keep them moving. And once I get the bacon grease incorporated into the eggs, you can tell they're already starting to scramble. But the key is, again, low heat. You don't want to do them too fast. At this point, I'll add a little pepper to give it some seasoning. I won't add salt until the very end, because if you add salt to your eggs, it toughens them up and makes them a little tougher and not as light and airy. You can always add the salt right before service or right after they're cooked. The eggs have been cooking for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, they're perfectly done, nice and fluffy. Some may say they're a little undone, but they'll continue to cook, and that's how we keep them nice and fresh. We look forward to seeing you at the Rogue Chef in Branson, Missouri.